Yo, what's good, Poke fam? We back again, once again, on the Poke Dares channel. Y'all know what time it is. Got another banger for you. Prismatic text sticker collection, baby. It's been a minute since we opened some good Prismatic. See if we can pull some good hits in here. See if we get Evolution, God Pack, maybe. All that great stuff. So, hit that like button, share the content, sub up to the channel. Let's get to it, family. Let's start with this Sylveon. You know what I'm saying? I like this little promo card. Look at that. Y'all check that out. Bam. Okay. All right, everybody. It's day one. Did anybody get restock? This was at my Target today. They didn't have Ascended, which is okay. Hopefully next week, you know, grab some of that. Like I said, we'll wait either till the 20th, but I'm thinking we'll probably get a little bit more coming this couple of maybe next week or so. Check out the promo card. Nice. Let's get to it. First pack. Upside down. Let's get it, family. Appreciate all the support too. Thank y'all for hitting that like button and commenting in the comment section. Y'all keep it up, keep it going. Any questions y'all want to ask, just put it in the comment section and I'll answer it. Appreciate y'all. Let's get it. Let's see if we pull a hit. We got 6 packs to open up. Let's get it. See if we can get something good. Okay. Anything. Ooh, beautiful Eevee. Nice little Eevee. Okay. Oh, so nothing in that pack. All right. Let's go to the second pack. Let's get it. QR code for the family. Bam, thank you, ma'am. Gone. Come on, Prismatic. Ooh, okay. We got our first hit. We got a Professor Research Pokeball. Nice. Okay, we'll take it. Hit is a hit. First hit. All right. Last pack in the Sylveon text sticker. And then we're gonna open up, what's the other one? Glaceon. Open up that Glaceon one. Alrighty, let's get it. See if we can heat up a little bit. Milk tank. Anything good? Ooh, nothing in that one either. Alright, so just our only hit right now, this Professor Research Pokeball. Now, let's open up this Glaceon one. There we go. Packs out. So I like the stickers too. Put on your binders, you know. Definitely put that on my binders. Nice, good promo card. I'm gonna sleeve that up in a second. Let's get to it. All right, come on, Prismatic. Let's see if we can get us a hit, baby. We need us a hit, baby. Come on. Anything good? Can we get nothing in that one? Okay. Let's go to our next pack. See if we get something. See if we get something good. Ooh, come on. Come on, give us something good. Give us something good. Don't throw that way. Yeah, Prismatic boy. Ain't for the weak, man. Yeah. Woo. Last pack magic, baby. Man. You know me, a lot of people, they be like, man, I can't do it. Ow, you already pulled the Umbreon, let it go. I'm trying to get the other cards up in here, but it's alright. Like I said, you win some, you lose some. The Prismatic is a tough set to open up. I'm not gonna hold y'all, fam. It is. I'm gonna pull no punches either. Ooh, okay, we got a Pokeball. Okay, we'll take that. A hit is a hit. And nothing else. We got 2 Pokeballs, family. That's it. That's all we got. CMB, all we got. So we really didn't get nothing. It's okay. Set that with the hits. That's all we got, family. These 2 Pokeballs, but it's cool though. We're gonna add that to the binder, to the collection. So, can't get them all the time, but that's the hope. We're gonna try though. We're gonna keep trying, because eventually that's how it happened. That's how we did when we got our Glaceon, SIR, and our Umbreon. So sometimes you gotta take a little bit of chances, you know what I'm saying, to get what you want. But yeah, family, we just got these 2 Pokeballs from the Tech Sticker collection. So appreciate everybody coming through. Hit that comment, hit that like button as well. Anything that y'all want to know, any questions you gotta ask, just put it in the comment section. Like I said, hit that like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate all the love and support. Roll to 2,000 subs or better. Here we come, baby. Appreciate it. Till next time, family. Peace.
Didn't even move my hand, y'all. Did y'all see what's behind this? Holy oh no. No freaking way. Is that what I think that is? Look, I know my hands are shaking. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! Hold on. I can't. Hold on. Oh, we gotta put the party lights on. Hold on. Hold on. Do the party lights. Do the party lights. Do the party lights. Hold on. I do the party lights. I do the party lights. I do the party lights. I do the. Hey. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I do the party lights. I do the. Y'all see I can't. What? What? I do the party lights. I do the party lights. Yeah. I can't believe you just. Yo! The Umbreon dance. Fact. We sleeving it. Oh man, that's holy. Sleeving. I can't believe. Holy. Yo, come on, man. Hit that like and subscribe. Cause magic ain't really for me, but I'm glad. Yo, Joshua, I'm glad you stayed too. Yo, that's crazy. Oh my goodness. Y'all sync this live, y'all. Live, man. That's Yo. And it was the last pack. It was the last pack. That's crazy. Yo, I can't believe we pulled this, bro. Bro, I know.